So yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Chef André Davy, and today I'm here with another porridge series. So after making the pineapple and oat porridge, I got a request to turn up the notch a little bit more. So guess what guys, I have some pistachio here and I have some cornmeal. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put my pistachio to blend. So this is approximately half cup of pistachio, and I'm going to add some cornmeal, which is 4 tablespoons of cornmeal, and I'm just going to blend this. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos, yeah? Alright, I'm going to go in with the blender now. So yes guys, you want to make sure that your pistachio are nicely blended. Yes, nice and smooth. So yes guys, this is perfectly blended, nice and smooth. So I'm gonna pour this in my pot. So yes guys, what I have here is 1.5 cup of water boiling, which I'm gonna pour my pistachio and my blended cornmeal into. And this one you want to stir until it becomes thick. But I will be stirring occasionally. I still have some blended ingredients inside my blender, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of water to wash it out. So guys, you want to make sure that your porridge is on medium low heat, because you don't want this one to burn, yeah? So I'm just gonna stir until it becomes thick. The thing with this porridge, if you stop stirring it, then you're gonna create some lumps. And we don't want our beautiful porridge to be burnt, huh? No. And full of lumps, no. We want it to be nice and smooth. After it has reached this consistency, you can even lower the heat a little bit more. So now I'm gonna add the additional ingredients. So yes guys, at this point I'm gonna add some grounded allspice. Yeah. I'll be adding some grounded nutmeg. Yes guys. And I'm gonna add some love inside. This one is coconut flakes. Okay guys. And then from there I will be adding in 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. You want to add a pinch of salt for taste. Guys, you want to make sure that your cornmeal is properly cooked. So yes guys, after 10 minutes my porridge is ready. Alright, so guys, I will be going in with 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. And I'm proud to say, guys, that I am the first chef to make this porridge, yeah? First in the world. Pistachio and cornmeal porridge. Yes, guys, this is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into my bowl. So yes, guys, your cornmeal and pistachio porridge is ready to be served. And what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna add some mixed nuts to it. Wow, just look how beautiful this is, guys. This is amazing, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you again real soon. Goodbye.